Space, the final frontier. It's a realm that has captivated humanity since we first gazed upon the stars. And while we've sent probes to distant planets and left our footprints on the moon, there's one human-made marvel that orbits closer to home, the space station. These orbiting laboratories are not just feats of engineering, they're also beacons of scientific inquiry. Get ready to have your mind blown as we uncover 10 little-known facts about space stations and the thrilling world of space exploration. Alright folks, let's talk real estate, space style. The ISS is absolutely massive. Picture this, it's about the size of an entire football field, goalpost to goalpost. We're talking 100 yards of cutting-edge technology, whizzing around our planet at a mind-boggling 17,500 miles per hour. The ISS wasn't launched in one piece. Instead, it was assembled piece by piece, like a giant orbital Lego set. Over the course of many missions, different modules were launched into space and carefully connected, creating the sprawling structure we see today. So, the next time you see the ISS streaking across the night sky, remember, it's a testament to human ingenuity and international collaboration on a truly cosmic scale. We all know that astronauts are the epitome of physical fitness, right? They are the elite, the best of the best, trained to handle the most extreme conditions. They go through rigorous training, pushing their bodies to the limit to prepare for the challenges of space. And they make spacewalks look like a cosmic stroll in the park, effortlessly floating and maneuvering in the vast expanse of space. But here's the thing about space. It's trying to turn you into a weakling. The lack of gravity means your muscles and bones don't have to work as hard. In the weightlessness of space, our bones start to lose density, a process known as bone demineralization. Astronauts can lose up to 1% of their bone mass every single month they're up there, which can lead to serious health issues. That's why exercise is essential for their long-term health. It's not just about staying fit, it's about survival. Imagine having to work out 2 hours every single day, even when you're floating in microgravity. It's a grueling routine, but it's necessary. They use specialized equipment like resistance bands, treadmills with harnesses, and stationary bikes to simulate the effects of gravity and keep their bodies strong. So the next time you're feeling lazy and thinking about skipping your workout, remember the astronauts on the ISS, diligently pedaling away to combat the effects of microgravity, ensuring they stay healthy and strong for their return to Earth. Water is essential for life as we know it. Shipping water up to space is incredibly expensive. So how do we keep our astronauts hydrated without breaking the bank? The answer: we recycle. On the ISS, they recycle everything, including sweat, urine, and condensation. The ISS has a state-of-the-art water recovery and filtration system that can recycle up to 93% of the water used on board. Almost every drop of water they use has been recycled multiple times. This technology isn't just for astronauts, it could have a real impact on providing clean drinking water to communities in need here on Earth. So, the next time you reach for a glass of water, take a moment to appreciate the ingenuity of the ISS's water recycling system. We've all seen the breathtaking images of Earth from space, the swirling blue marble the continents outlined against the black void. But before you pack your bags, there's something you should know about space. It has a distinct smell. Astronauts returning from spacewalks have reported that their suits smell like burnt steak, hot metal, or even gunpowder. The most likely culprit is atomic oxygen. In the vacuum of space, ultraviolet radiation from the sun splits oxygen molecules into single atoms. These highly reactive atoms cling to surfaces, including spacesuits, creating that distinctive aroma. It's a reminder that space, for all its beauty and wonder, is a harsh and unforgiving environment. When we think about life in space, we usually picture astronauts floating in zero gravity or conducting experiments in their high-tech labs. But the ISS is also home to some of the toughest creatures on Earth, tardigrades, or water bears. These microscopic creatures are known for their ability to survive extreme conditions. Scientists have sent tardigrades into the harsh environment of space, and they survive. Tardigrades can enter a state of suspended animation called cryptobiosis. In this state, they can withstand just about anything. Studying how tardigrades survive in space could provide valuable insights into how life might exist on other planets and moons. So, the next time you think about the challenges of space exploration, remember the mighty tardigrade. The ISS provides a unique perspective on our own planet, especially when it comes to natural disasters. From its orbit high above, it offers an unparalleled view of the dynamic and sometimes violent processes shaping our world. From its vantage point, the ISS acts like a celestial watchtower, giving us a real-time view of hurricanes, wildfires, and volcanic eruptions. These events, which can be devastating on the ground, are observed in their entirety from space, providing a broader context to their impact. The astronauts on board have witnessed the awe-inspiring power of nature firsthand, capturing images and data that help scientists on Earth track these events. Their observations are crucial for understanding the scale and progression of these natural phenomena. Imagine seeing a hurricane from space, its swirling mass of clouds spanning hundreds of miles. The sheer size and power of these storms become evident, highlighting the importance of monitoring and preparedness, or witnessing the destructive path of a wildfire, a fiery scar cutting across the landscape. From space, the extent of the damage and the speed at which it spreads can be clearly seen, aiding in disaster response efforts. The ISS serves as a vital tool for monitoring our changing planet, providing data that helps us better understand the complex interplay of Earth's systems. This information is essential for predicting future events and mitigating their effects. It's a testament to how space exploration has tangible benefits for life here on Earth. The data collected not only advances our scientific knowledge but also plays a critical role in disaster relief and environmental protection. In a world often divided by borders, the ISS stands as a shining example of what humanity can achieve when we work together. The ISS is a joint project involving 15 nations, including the United States, Russia, Japan, Canada, and several European countries. Astronauts from different countries work side by side in the close quarters of the space station. They conduct experiments together, share meals, and rely on each other for support. The ISS is a microcosm of what we can achieve when we put aside our differences and focus on our shared humanity. So, the next time you see the ISS streaking across the night sky, remember that it's a beacon of international collaboration and a testament to the potential of human unity. Let's talk about space food. The culinary landscape for astronauts has undergone a revolution. Today's space travelers enjoy a surprisingly diverse and delicious menu. We're talking gourmet dishes, fresh produce, even espresso. Space food has to be carefully packaged to prevent crumbs, which could clog air vents or get into sensitive equipment. Liquids are often served in pouches, and many foods are dehydrated to reduce weight and extend shelf life. Food scientists have worked tirelessly to develop recipes that are both nutritious and flavorful. So, the next time you're enjoying a delicious meal, take a moment to appreciate the culinary ingenuity that goes into feeding our spacefaring explorers. There's one human-made object in space that's so bright you can actually see it without any fancy equipment. That's right, the International Space Station is visible to the naked eye. On a clear night, if you know when and where to look, you can witness this celestial wonder as it glides silently across the sky. The ISS's massive solar panels act like giant mirrors, reflecting sunlight back towards Earth. The best time to see the ISS is usually a few hours after sunset or before sunrise. There are websites and apps that track the ISS's orbit, providing you with precise timings and locations for viewing opportunities. So, the next time you're gazing up at the night sky, keep an eye out for that bright, moving point of light. The International Space Station won't be orbiting our planet forever. By 2031, the ISS is scheduled to be decommissioned, culminating in a controlled deorbit and a fiery plunge into the Earth's atmosphere. It's a bittersweet realization, knowing that this iconic structure will eventually meet its end. But even in its demise, the ISS will provide valuable data, helping scientists understand the complexities of orbital mechanics and atmospheric re-entry. As the station descends, friction will cause it to heat up, breaking it apart into smaller pieces. Most of the structure will burn up harmlessly, creating a spectacular light show in the sky. The legacy of the ISS will live on, inspiring future generations of scientists, engineers, and explorers to reach for the stars. From its humble beginnings as a single module, the International Space Station has grown and evolved over the years. To its current status as a sprawling complex, a marvel of modern engineering and international cooperation. The International Space Station has come to symbolize humanity's enduring fascination with space exploration and our quest to understand the universe. It stands as a testament to our collective ingenuity, showcasing the incredible advancements we've made in science and technology. Our ability to overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges has been proven time and again, and our unwavering determination to push the boundaries of human knowledge continues to drive us forward. As we look ahead to the future of space exploration, we envision new horizons and endless possibilities. With plans for lunar outposts, missions to Mars, and even further into the cosmos, the future is bright and full of potential. The lessons learned from the ISS will undoubtedly guide our endeavors, providing a foundation for future missions. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember the incredible journey we've embarked on. Let your imagination soar with the possibilities and dream of what lies beyond our world. Who knows what wonders await us among the stars? The universe is vast and full of mysteries, and who knows what role you might play in unlocking the secrets of the cosmos? The future of space exploration is in your hands.